What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Watashi wa namae wa Diori. My name is Diori, and today I have a... Why can I not think of that? I have a VSHOWHAIR install and review for you guys, so let's get started. So this is just what the lace was looking like after I had cut it, and I went back over it a few times with some more Gatsby spray, and then I laid it down with my scarf before adding baby hairs. One thing I wanted to add here was, if you see me like moving my mouth around a lot, I apologize for that. I have a weird, I don't even know, like a weird trait, I guess, where anytime I'm concentrating on something, I tend to chew on my tongue. I know that sounds so weird, but I do, and so that's what you see me doing in the video. My voice sounds so raspy. That's what you see me doing in the video, so yeah. So Vshow sent me this hair. It just came in the mail today. Y'all can see that? That was a fly. Okay, so Vshow sent me this hair. I have bought from them multiple times. When I say multiple, I mean like they're my favorite hair place to shop from. So I was really excited when they sent me this wig. So let's jump into the specs of this unit. First and foremost, this unit is 22 inches and the density is 150%. Can y'all see the fly? I hope you guys can, but it's like, it just flew in front of my face. Okay. I'm just gonna have to ignore it. If you see a fly in the video, ignore it. So yeah, 150% density, and then the color is a natural black. So obviously they have different links on the site. They have different colors. And when I say different colors, I mean natural colors. So they have black or natural black, like the 1B. Let's see what else. This is a 13 by 4. What that means is the lace only parts back 4 inches, and it doesn't part back 4 inches on the sides. So if you were doing a side part, it only goes back like 2 inches. But if you were to do a middle part, then it goes back the entire 4 inches. I would like to say that the lace was really soft for some reason and stretchy. Like, it was really easy to work with. I don't know why, but it was. And I've installed my fair share of wigs, and it was really easy to work with. Okay, I just thought I had to say that. It didn't shed like at all. One con that I did have with this unit though is it did not want to bleach. Like, when I bleached the knots, I kept it on for like 30 minutes and the knots just would not bleach. They bleached in like some areas, like some knots took it, and then the vast majority of them didn't. Like, when I went through the unit and I was like checking the parting, it looked like I hadn't even worked on it at all. Like, so what I'm probably gonna have to do is go back in and bleach it again, which is fine because I was just wearing it for this video, so it's not like I was doing anything special. And for a look like this, it would actually be okay to not have all the bleach, or not have all the knots bleached, because it's not like I'm doing a lot of parting in the first place, so it's okay. And then all you have to do is touch up the one part that you have with some concealer and you're good. Now, I don't know about how long the shipping would take. This package only took like 5 days to get to me, and they did ship through DHL, but I'm not sure if that works with regular packages or if they just did that because this was a PR. Let's see. When it came to straightening this unit, it didn't really take the straightening. like it kind of just, like I blew it out first and then I tried to straighten it and it just would not get completely straight. And you can even see in here, it's almost kind of looks like I tried to straighten a yaki texture. Now mind you, this hair is a body wave, so that may be why, but I just didn't understand why it wasn't getting bone straight. Now however, because it is body wave, that means that it is going to hold curls really well. So as you can see, I bumped the ends and the bump is staying like really pretty, and it's stayed for a while. I only bumped it once and it's been this way the entire time. So yeah, I really like the unit. Now I can't talk about it lasting and everything like that because obviously, like I said, I just got this unit today, but I mean, I've bought multiple wigs from them and they've always lasted for me. That maybe just because I know how to take care of them, but I've always found their company to be a very reliable company, so I definitely like it. Obviously the inside of the cap is just like every other wig. It has the one comb on the top, the two combs on the side, and then the one comb in the back, and then the extra lace in the back that you can just cut off if you don't want to wear it up in a bun or a ponytail. Yeah, the only products that I used inside of this unit when I was styling it was some olive sheen oil, and then I used my Tresemme heat protectant, and then my Got To Be whenever I was swooping the bang. And yeah, I installed this lace with Got To Be. I don't use glue, so yeah, that's actually one of the reasons why I use the combs, because I know a lot of people, they remove the combs, but I don't use glue, and so I like to use the combs. Now with that being said, because I don't use the combs, I also don't use wig caps, so this parting in here is literally just the lace after I applied my powder and my lace tint. I don't use any wig caps whatsoever. I don't use any wig caps whatsoever. So the lace is just, I mean, it just looks like scalp. I mean, that's just how the lace looks. Any wig that I install, I never use wig caps. So really good lace up there. I like the fact that it's giving me scalp. We love scalp. But yeah, it was really easy to install and really easy to work with. I like wigs that are easy to work with. Now, I did have to pre-pluck this unit. I mean, I had to pluck this unit. It didn't come pre-plucked. This is one of those units that when you get it, it's gonna have to take a little bit of work. Like, it's not one of those wigs that you just like get out of the box and you slap it on your head and you're like good to go. But at the same time, you have to understand that this is not a $400 wig. It's not gonna come pre-plucked, pre-bleached with HD lace. This is not that type of unit. However, if you are willing to put in the little bit of effort that it takes to get this unit to look natural, then I do think it's worth it. But yeah, I don't even know what else to say. It's a really good unit. I like it. I like it. And the lace, I forgot to say, the lace was not transparent. The lace was just a light tinted lace, just the regular lace that normally comes on units. They either normally come with that dark brown lace or just that light lace. So this came light, which I did like, because then I could just apply my foundation over it and it just matched my skin tone. Because I really don't like working with that dark lace. I find it very hard to match with my skin just because it's easier to darken a lace than it is to lighten it, you know what I'm saying? So I really like that. Okay. What? I really should have worn some hoop earrings. Like, I feel like it would have given off this cute look. You know what I'm saying? I have no jewelry on. It's okay, guys. No? Okay. But yeah, you can check the description box down below for all the specs on this unit. Just in case I missed anything in the video, I will make sure to have everything in the description box. And also, if you do have any extra questions, you can definitely make sure to comment them down below and I will get back to you, or at least I will try my best. And if I don't get back to you on YouTube, then I'll definitely get back to you on my Instagram, so you can hit me up there and just DM me. Also, make sure to follow me on my social medias, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!